I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You must own Warzone on the platform linked to your Activision account and be signed in. Once done, enable crossplay and verify your Activision ID in settings. This prevents lockouts. Next, check you have a stable connection. Aim for 5+ Mbps, because the unlock sequence requires uninterrupted matches. Then, queue into the specific game mode required by the event. Don't waste time on private lobbies. Start public matches that count toward progression immediately. You focus on the middle phase. Execute the listed challenges methodically. Open the Seasonal tab, note which weapons and match types are required, and equip recommended loadouts. This increases success rate. Then, play rounds prioritizing survivability and the specific kills or revives the event demands. Balance aggression with objective play. Make sure to use XP tokens and double XP windows if available, because they accelerate weapon progression. Once you complete each listed checkpoint, the game will register progress. Monitor it after every match. You finish by claiming the reward in the Event or Rewards tab once all tasks read complete. The skin is granted there. After claiming, restart the game and check your operator locker. Make sure the skin is equipped. If the skin fails to appear, relink your Activision account and relaunch. This often resolves sync issues. If problems persist, gather match ID and screenshots. Then contact Activision support. Provide concise details so they can validate progression and restore the Trailblazer skin for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.